Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to restore your Signal private messenger backup so you can keep all your messages when switching devices. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know how to restore backup, and let's get started with the video. On your old phone, open Signal and go to settings. This is the icon of your Signal private messenger app. Now here, simply click on your profile and go to the pop-up settings, and in here you can simply go to chats as you can see here. Otherwise, you can also go in privacy and you can turn on or tap on create backup, tap enable backup, then set a passphrase. Make sure to remember it. It is the password to your backup file. Save the backup file to a secure location on your phone, and on your new phone, install Signal private messenger app and start the setup process. When prompted, tap restore backup and locate your backup file. Enter your password as you have kept on your last old device, and all your messages will be restored. And that's how you can restore a Signal private messenger backup. Easy, secure, and keeps all your chats safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Signal tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.